Glen, Helen. It's super windy right now. It sucks. It's like super dry, dusty. The track's actually still pretty muddy because it rained here a ton, but I think it'll be good if we get some practice in, but I'm gonna use our swim quick.
So I think, yeah, I don't know, this wind, I don't know if it's gonna work. Yeah, I don't know. Really out there? Yeah. Dude, over? Oh, Haley! Haley! Are you okay?
Oh my god!
That thing just went over.
I'm good.
Oh man.
Dude, over here, just, you know, put my pants back on and just goes whoosh backwards.
It's so scary though. Whoa. So, oh god. Do a backflip? Yeah. Do it again. Here, I'll do it again. Whatever. So. That time I split because I'll do a backflip. See?
Oh. We should try it.
Hey, there's your girlfriend's car. Shut up. Yeah. Oh my god, your girlfriend.
Oh, you got a girlfriend, dude?
No, I hate her. Right? Yeah, dude, we set a whole date for them. It was so funny.
Oh, you went on a date with her?
No. Yeah. No, I hate your brother admits it. Dude, me and Clayton set little cups in the middle. Like, we put a little table up in the middle.
Oh, really?
And then, and then we gave us. Oh, yeah. And then we gave him a ring to pick.
Oh, you could give her a ring too? Oh, man.
Yeah.
That's better than any date I've ever been on.
No. You haven't even been on it. Turn out. It's only grown. Guys, it's only grown. When I get older, I'm gonna be an adventurer and make a car that runs off farts.
I used to always run it on
What? In the freeway?
Runs off farts?
Yeah.
Oh, your car would go really fast.
And then
So we're here at Glen, Helen, first truck race of the season. Back here with Hudson. So he's racing the J2 class, which is like an 8 to 15-year-old class. So he's gonna have his work cut out for him. Guys are fast, but the reason why we put him in that class is because it's on National Day. For me, I race during the pro day, and they have a kids class. They don't have many, so we just had to put him in the class that was on the pro day. They have regional races, which are a little smaller, and that's where they have more kids classes. He really should be in the J1 class, which is a younger class. Kids aren't so fast, but honestly, he's just gonna have to figure it out. Go out there, and I mean, you're in a roll cage. It'll be all good. It'll be fun for him. His cars are good. This is how you learn to drive right here. This is where Haley learned to race, and you see where she's going with it. So I think it's smart for us to teach at least one of the boys how to race cars. So that's what we're doing with Hudson. And it's his birthday this weekend, so it should be exciting. And hopefully we can come back out and win. We won the last race here. Hopefully we can come back out and win again.
So what's the weather like today?
Super windy today. There's like 50-mile-per-hour gusts and wind, so they haven't let us go out and practice, which sucks. But end of the day, it is what it is. Better than rain. Usually it rains out here every year. So tomorrow is supposed to die down the wind, so it should be better. I'm just, you know, race day. NASCAR's in town, so you know a lot of people are coming over to watch. So I want to make sure. I mean, I just care about the race, making sure that's good. And I think it should be good. The track's sick right now. It's super soft. How I like it, how my truck works good. So I'm stoked. I can't wait to race. It'll be good.
These what goons do! What's it?
Are you going to right now, or are you going to go down and stay?
dirt biking so much better.
Oh my god.